Happy birthday, Grandpa. Hello, you guys and you guys. Mahalo so much for joining me in another UPHi UKE vlog. In this vlog, talk about being busy. Well, right now it's Sunday. We got a busy week ahead of us. Yesterday, we had an awesome time celebrating my grandfather's 95th birthday. We had to get some food, enjoying the ohana, but it was such a good time. You can always find the goodies. How many? One for Sunny, one for Buddy, and one for Kale. May I just get a half-pound of the tornado? Yes, a half-pound of broke them out. May I get a half-pound of the spicy ahi, please? And then one poke bowl, please. Sunny, can you put this inside nicely, please?
The
Can you put it inside?
style. What's in it? What seasoning?
We got the goods. Let's go. I think we got more than what we needed. Spicy tuna. Times here definitely sweeter. They put probably a lot of mirin inside to make their poke sweet. This one, to me, this tornado is probably the best. That's good. And of course some Chinese roast pork. Hey, you look so good. Good to see you.
Nice and comfortable.
Yeah, good to see you. Say bye. Say bye to Grandpa. Say bye. We'll see you later. High five. 82, right? 82? 95. 95, not even. You don't look a day over 90. Yeah, you look good. Well, happy birthday, Grandpa. Well, sitting out here on the patio, it's gonna storm soon. That's what the weather predicted, so we did do yard work. On the contrary to what my few last TikToks and Reels said about yard work, I do it, and I've done it. And it was to prepare for this storm because I like to cut the grass and let nature water it to help it grow. But right now I'm uploading some videos as the kids play in the yard of the wife and I playing ukulele. So make sure you guys go check those out on our socials.
I'm struggling here. I'm struggling.
Now it is time to go and check out the Made in Hawaii event here at Ala Moana Center. Join us. You must be thinking, what are you doing? It's not Monday. No, it's not. But two of our students wanted to do specials. So we had a little bit one-on-one sessions. Well, I forgot to do my 3 o'clock. I was running around doing other things. And I forgot my 3 o'clock. But we were able to meet with Alexis for 3:30 for Melikalikimaka. And how did she do? How did she do? She was good, yeah. Very good. All right, so let's go on home, finish up homework, and
Come on.
do some other things. Hi, good morning.
I know.
Back from Okana Kabila. Well, we're back here in the studio, and I thought I had a meeting at 10 o'clock today, but it was actually 10 o'clock Pacific time, so I'm 2 hours late to that meeting. But it's okay. It was a Patreon meeting. As you guys know, I recently just added a Patreon page for Ukulele Project Hawaii and our UPHi supporters. So I was just gonna do some training online, and they had a little training thing, but I was late to it, but that's okay. Right now I'm actually working on a flyer for our Mele Ukulele 2021 happening December 11th. So I'm gonna get to work because there's a lot of stuff I have to do today before I can do anything else. $10 o'clock on a Wednesday, our tutorial's dropping over on Facebook. Also going to promote it over on Instagram, and our Patreons are also getting notified that we'll be having a Zoom lesson this Friday for that exact song. So taking a pause from making this graphic and going to post it on Instagram. Well, happy Aloha Friday, and we are back from a long shift at work. Stayed after a little bit to help with a Hawaiian plate fundraiser for a friend of mine who recently lost his wife. So we were fundraising at work to offset some of the costs that he will be having to deal with. But on a happier note, we have a Zoom call today for our Patreons, our C-tier Patreons. So we're gonna go jump on that real quick and give a great lesson. Well, that's it for this week's UPHi UKE vlog. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to strum on that like button, subscribe for more, and check out our Patreon page. Right now we're gonna head to a open market sort of deal and close it out. Aloha!